So, you're itching to unleash your inner creator, but the cost of Adobe Photoshop 2020 has you hesitating. Let's unearth some legal, cost-effective routes to Photoshop. First off, consider the free trial. Visit the official Adobe website, find Photoshop, and grab the free trial. It unlocks the full suite of features for a trial period, usually about a week, letting you test the waters without a financial commitment. Evaluate the subscription tiers. Adobe offers a range of Creative Cloud plans, often bundling Photoshop with its other creative applications. Check out the plans and pricing section. Also, keep your eyes peeled for special promotions and discounts. Adobe frequently runs seasonal deals and offers, which can provide significant cost savings. Are you a student or teacher? You're in luck. Adobe offers generous educational discounts for Photoshop and the Creative Cloud suite. Be prepared to verify your status. Check the Students and Teachers section. Remember to always use legal and ethical software. Cracked or pirated versions pose security and legal risks and can lead to file corruption. By exploring trials, promotions, and education discounts, you can dive into the world of Photoshop 2020 legally and get high-quality results. Time to start creating.